Hi everybody, it's Angela from calangelaforrealestate.com, and I just wanted to share with you a great little gem in Granite Bay today. You can see there's a lot of construction going on behind me, and this is really one of those situations where you want to kind of be able to forecast about what could be coming in a neighborhood. So they're building a huge housing development across the street here, which is going to do one thing. It's going to increase everybody's property values in the area. So this is a good thing. You know, it might be a little stressful right now, but that means more value for your home down the road. So this particular home has come onto the market. It's a great bones house. It's got a great roof. You know, so some of the things that you don't necessarily want to have to deal with. The roof. So good roof. It's a cute little home. It's got a great little front yard. It's got a great huge tree in the front yard. It needs some landscaping. You know, it needs a little love in the front yard in terms of the landscaping department. And you know, this is a home that you really have to look at and say to yourself, I can make a nice profit on this home by just doing some really basic work. So we're going to start when we come into the home, and we're going to come right into the living room. So cute little living room. It's got a little potbelly stove, but good light. It's got some nice windows. If you change out the windows and went with more of an energy efficient window, and maybe something that was a little more contemporary, you'd be in really good shape. And it looks out on a really adorable backyard. And the beauty of the way that the homes are staggered, you are not looking directly into somebody else's home. So it really gives you an even greater sense of kind of, you know, tranquility and a little more privacy in the backyard. We're going to go this way, and we'll take a quick look into the dining room, which, depending on how you wanted to kind of rehab this property, you've got a lot of options. So this is actually a separated dining room, which is cute. You don't see that very much anymore with a lot of the open floor plans that we have. But again, needs to be needs new flooring, needs new paint, the whole 9 yards. Huge garage, so it's got a full 2-car garage, and there's cabinetry up on the walls, which you may want to take down. But again, this is a coat of paint and a little cleanup, and you've got a great, huge garage. Washer dryer hookups are in the garage, which vent directly out of the home, which is great. And again, we're not talking about major remodel here. We're talking about, again, some paint, some new flooring, a little TLC. It's got a bit of a galley-style kitchen, but some good space. So again, on the kitchen, it needs, you know, needs new countertops, needs some new cabinetry, needs new flooring. It already has a great stainless steel fridge, so you could probably keep or salvage that. You might even be able to sell it. The stovetop and the microwave look relatively new, although, to be honest with you, if you were to put stainless steel appliances in here, you'd increase the value of the kitchen a lot. Again, needs new flooring throughout. It needs new paint and carpeting in all the bedrooms. They like blues and greens, so totally blue room. This is probably a boy's room. Very, very old carpet, so it needs new carpet, needs new paint. So that's one of the first bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. His and hers closets, which I would probably, you know, again, you could kind of make that one large closet on that side. So it was just a continuous closet without that break in the center. And it needs a slightly larger bathroom. It's a really small bathroom. It is a full bathroom, but it's really tiny for a master. So you could probably, you know, reconfigure the bathroom just a little bit to give you a little more space for the quote-unquote master bedroom, master bath. But it does have the attached bathroom, which is great. And then the last bedroom, so this again is a 3-2, which I'm not sure if I mentioned that. Again, green walls. Just needs a new coat of paint, some new carpeting, needs a change out of the fixtures, and you've got a home that you could easily spend, you know, $30,000 to $50,000 on a rehab, on an internal rehab, with the majority of the other work that it needs is landscaping. And I think this is a home that you could probably turn around and flip in 30 days or less, and probably easily make $50,000 or $60,000. I want to show you the backyard real quick before we go, because it has a great backyard. A lot of space in the backyard, which is kind of unusual. You know, a lot of times you don't end up with much dimension to the backyard. So we'll take a quick look at the backyard before we. So, cute little patio. gated off to the side of the house. And then I don't know if you can kind of get a sense of, it's actually a pretty deep backyard and long, runs the entire span, and enough for them to have 2 little workshops in the back. There are probably kids playing houses, but a lot of room, and really all the backyard needs is just some landscaping and some care. And I think you could turn around, make a really solid profit on this home without having to invest, a lot of money. So what's next? Give me a call, 530-320-9506, and be sure to check out callangelaforrealestate.com, or you can email me at callangelaforrealestate@gmail.com. Thanks.